Welcome to Grips Clips. Today we got a Scag V-Ride 48-inch with a 22 horsepower Kawasaki. We're gonna do a little oil change. So I know they got a bunch of videos, but I wanted to post one myself for what I'm doing. Got an oil pan, obviously. You need to pick up some hose. I got some hose here. It is a clear hose so you can see the oil drain. It is 1/2 inch ID, so the inner diameter is 1/2 inch. And on the back of the mower, the back of the deck, they got a little spigot for the one to drop your deck. If you also notice, I put it on a little bit of an incline, kind of like this, because the oil drain plugs in the back, so I want all the oil to the back. It's warmed up. Make sure it's warm to operating temperature. And let's get this hose on. Okay, once you got the hose on, you need a wrench with a 10mm socket. You're gonna take out your dipstick, drop it right here, get your oil drain ready. You want to loosen this up. And once you break it loose, you can turn it with your hand. So see the oil? It's coming out the tube. Looks kind of dark. It's okay. You want to let this drain for a little bit, and once it drains, we'll be back to do the oil filter. All right, Grips, we're back. I wanted to mention that hose that I hooked to the drain plug was 2 foot long, 1/2 inch ID, inner diameter. All right, so next on the oil filter, got an oil filter wrench here. I'm gonna pull this one off here, and got a rag underneath it, so if any oil comes out, it's gonna catch it. Once you get it loose, again, get it off with your hand. It's gonna be a little messy. And I got some cordboard under here too to help prevent it going on the concrete. So, turn it upside down, let the oil drain. Get you a rag and kind of clean up this area. Make sure nothing's in a rag. Clean your filter base, where the seal is going to go in a new filter. Get all the oil down. Okay, looks good. And guys, this was a Kawasaki filter, 49065-7007, which crosses over to a Wix 57035. Got it on Amazon for about $7. Delivered to the house. Wix makes a great filter. So, and in the Napa version of it is 7035, so you can go to the local Napa and get it too. It's good. And also, put a rim of oil on the gasket so it doesn't stick. Put it a little hand tight. Since my hand's a little greasy, I'm gonna put the wrench on it a little bit, just get it a little tight. Okay, that looks good. So that's golden. Next, you want to get your funnel. It calls for 2.1 quarts. Make sure your funnel's clean. I went ahead with synthetic Mobile 11040. It's a heavier weight for hotter environments, like myself. And it's got the quarts on the right, so we're going to go to 2 and put a check on. Okay, you're right at 2. It's got a little over, so we'll put a little dab over. Okay. Seal this up. We don't want to knock this over and get everywhere. Put that on the side. Shake it up. And folks, when you check the oil, don't screw it in. Just pop it in like that. Pull it out. Looks good. Pull out the rag. Check it on for the grease, any oils. See a little bit of residue in here, so I'm gonna try to get it out with the rag. Right. So let's pull this bad boy out, and then we'll get it on level ground and put a check on it. All right, grips. As they say, you want to get on level ground. This is pretty much the levelest ground I have. So until I put it on a trailer and recheck the oil. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put a check on it real quick. Clean it up. Perfect. Right under the full line. Again, don't stick your dipstick tube in and screw it in. You just want to push it in, pull it out, and that's how you check it. And that's a wrap up for today's Scag oil change. You got any questions? Hit me up, grips. Peace.